Did you know that many people in the United States are already making money from home using artificial intelligence? You don't need a big investment, and you don't need advanced technical skills to get started. In this video, I will show you simple ways beginners can start using AI tools to earn money from home. Artificial intelligence, also called AI, is technology that helps computers perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. For example, AI can help you write articles and create engaging content in seconds. It can also design professional graphics and brand logos without needing a design degree. And AI can even edit videos and automate many online tasks that used to take hours. Today, many freelancers and online creators are using AI to work faster and earn more income. Instead of spending hours doing everything manually, AI tools can help you complete work in minutes. The best part is that these tools are built for everyone. You don't need to be a coder or a tech expert. If you can use a smartphone or a computer, you can use AI to build a side hustle. In this first part, we've covered the basics of what AI is and why it's a game changer for beginners. Get ready, because in part 2, we'll dive into the specific tools you can start using today. See you there.